Hi guys, this is a video where I explain everything about this game I called Chimney Game. So it has three versions. As you can see, there's this version, which is a little orange. There's the beige and the red one. So it's great because if you have a big class like 15 students, you can put 5 players to play with this set, 5 players here and 5 players here. Everyone playing at the same time. Well, I will try to make it very simple, and it's a very cool game. You can play every single year because we never know who is going to win this game. That's the exciting thing about this game. So kids love it. You can play with little kids, little bigger kids, teenagers, even adults. Well, before you start the game, kids need to know the characters and the items that will appear in the game. So I call these the brick cards. So just to drill them, like reindeer, bells, sleigh, show them, ask them to repeat after you. Probably some of the items and stuff are very familiar, the students. Well, and then these cards, they belong to the Grinch team. This is the setup for the Grinch. This is for Santa. You can play with up to 6 kids, 6 players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I recommend you use 1 die for each group, so it could be any size. Today I'm gonna use the big die because it's easier to see since I'm shooting from above. Well, this is for Santa Claus and this is for the Grinch. Well, as we know, the Grinch wants to ruin Christmas. He hates Christmas and Santa Claus and all that stuff. Santa Claus needs to deliver the presents during the Christmas. And that's the goal of the game. So Grinch will try to ruin Santa's plans. As you can see here, these are 2 cards and they are separate. That's where these cards here are placed. Well, Santa Claus always starts the game. Let's say today we have just two players. So 1 player will be the Grinch, 1 player will be Santa Claus. So Santa Claus always starts the game. Santa rolls the die. Let's say Santa got 4. So Santa can move 4 spaces forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Use a binder clip like this so the Santa can stand on the board here, okay? I'm gonna put it down like this so it's easier to see from above. 4. Then now that's the Grinch's turn. And the Grinch team has this little table here. I don't know if you can see the camera there. Well, in here you can see the dice and then some numbers and the cards and some numbers. So if the Grinch rolled the die and gets, let's say, 1 or 2, so means the Grinch can put down between here 2 cards, okay? 2 cards. So 1, 2. Can you see? The chimney starts getting a little longer, so which makes the task of delivering presents a little harder for Santa Claus. So got 2. If Grinch gets 3, or 4, 3 or 4, so 3 cards, and so on. 5 or 6, 4 cards. Well, let's say Santa got 3, so Santa has to put 3 cards down. Now I'm gonna put this card here on purpose now because I need to explain one little thing. Well, got 3 on the die, Grinch, 3 cards down. 1, 2, 3. Ask the students to don't use their mother language during the game. Ask them to say, I got 3 or 3, 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Ask them to use English every single time. Oh no, Grinch got 3. Ask them to do reactions to it. It's very funny. Well, as you can see, this is 1 piece. So from here, wherever the Santa Claus lands on, Santa Claus has to flip the card and say the item or the character on the back of the card, like this. Let's say I'm on the 3, space 3, and then I got 3. So 1, 2, 3. So I landed here, flip the card, Santa Claus. And then Grinch's turn, and then my turn, Grinch's turn, Santa Claus' turn, and so on. If, and this is something you have to decide before the game starts, if Santa lands on a space on a card that is written Merry Christmas, we got a few of them here, this is the joker of the game. And you gotta decide what happens when they land here before the game starts. What I do is, there are two ways I handle this. One is, if Santa lands on a card written Merry Christmas, Santa can move, it doesn't need to roll the die, it landed here, moves 3 more spaces forward. So, landed here, so 1, 2, and 3, and so on. In this case, Santa won. Or, you can also say, if the Santa lands on the Merry Christmas card, of course, I didn't mention now, but of course the Santa Claus has to flip the card and say the item or character. And then the Santa can straight away roll the die one more time before Grinch. So that's the second time rolling the die. And then roll again. Let's say I got a 1, I got a 1. Oh, not so lucky this time. Okay. And candy cane. And then Grinch rolls again, and so on. Okay? You can play in these 2 different ways. Guys, basically that's all. I recommend you, I'm in Japan, so we play on the floor with little kids. The floors are very clean, so we can play no problem. But if you need to play on a table like this, it doesn't fit because it usually gets very long. So what I have to do is, I'm gonna try to put some cards on to show you. Like you can go like a spiral, or like go this way and then put a card turning left like this, and then you got more cards. Like you can move it around, like make a board game, make a path like a board game. Okay? And it's nice because Santa Claus sees the chimney getting longer and longer. They feel like, can I win this game? Oh my God, Grinch is too lucky. And this is a game where kids, the players, they must be lucky. Otherwise, Santa can't win, or the Grinch can't win. Well, when Santa reaches the fireplace, Santa wins. But how about the Grinch? When the Grinch wins? The Grinch wins when all the cards are used up. Okay, so let's say we made very long, we used up all the cards, and the chimney got super long, and the last card, I'm placing the last card now here. Santa is still here, and then cards are over. So boom, Santa lost. Santa took too long to deliver the present, so Christmas is over. Okay? That's how the Grinch wins. You can ask students to take turns. The players that played the Grinch can play Santa the next time, the next game, and vice versa. Or some kids prefer playing Grinch all the time, so it's up to them too. You can ask who wants to play Santa now, or up to you. But it's nice for the people playing the Grinch, they play Santa too, because the only chance they have to say the items from the cards is when they are Santa. Or you can solve this problem like every time Santa lands on a card and flips, not just the Santa Claus players say the item, but everyone says the item. So you can do that too. I think it's a way you get everyone to say the item, since they may be the Santa Claus later and they have to say the items as well. Guys, if you liked the video, so push the like button please to help the channel. If you like our content, consider subscribe to the channel. We talk a lot, I show a lot of games and techniques on how to gamify your lessons, English lessons, for kids, for teenagers. And if you think someone will think this idea is useful, this game is useful, share with your friends, your co-workers or parents or whoever, okay? Please. And if you like the game, just click in the link in the description and download it, print it. Yeah, I recommend it to laminate. It's gonna be much better, looks professional, and it's gonna last, guys, forever. I play every single year with more than 100 students. It's been about 8 or 9 years I have this game. Looks brand new, so it's a little investment to do now. It pays off. It's very cool, be useful. It's gonna be useful for you all the time, okay? You can play different games too. I'm gonna show you maybe in other videos, but basically, that's it. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time. And Merry Christmas from Japan.